All right, boys and girls, so if you're watching this practice, then you have just finished your notes over GMA. So just a reminder that GMA stands for groups, multiplicative actions, then additive actions. So to get us started, since this is a brand new skill for 5th grade, we are going to write ourselves some notes over here to the side so that as we're solving a problem, we can think about the proper order that we need to go through in order to be solving. So right now, I want you to take your pencil and I want you to write the steps over here to the side. G, M, A. All right, and we're going to go ahead and get started with our first problem. As you can see, just looking over this problem, I do have how many steps there are going to be in order to find your answer at the end. So we call this, when we're finding an answer to an expression, we call this simplifying an expression. And you're going to see that word simplify a lot. So I just want you to be familiar with that and understand what that means. So when I first look at this problem, I see 10 times 3 minus 12. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our pencil and we're going to write a little multiplication sign right here so that is a reminder that we're going to multiply. And the first thing I'm thinking about is, well, do I have any groups? The one thing that I want to be thinking about is, do I have any groups? So as I scan this problem, I see no parentheses and I don't see any brackets. So I'm going to go ahead and cross through the letter G because there are no groups for me to solve. The next thing that I want to be looking for would be my multiplicative actions. So I see that I have multiply and then I have subtraction. So I want to take my pencil and I want to underline what it is that we're solving. So I'm underlining 10 times 3. And so when I think to myself, what is 10 times 3, I'm going to rewrite that right here. And since I have underlined that, I don't need to rewrite anything that I've underlined. But I am going to need to drop down anything that I didn't use in the same place. The order is not changing. That's super important to remember when you're rewriting your problem. We cannot change the order. If we change the order, we might get a different answer and it could be counted wrong. All right, so when I look at this problem, I don't see any more multiplicatives. So I'm going to go ahead and cross off my M because I'm done with that action. And the only action left is additive. And I do see one additive action here. So I'm thinking about 30 minus 12. So in my head, I'm decomposing the number 12 into 10 and 2. And I'm thinking if I'm at 30 on the number line and I go down 10, I'm at 20. And if I go down 2 more, I'm at the number 18. So 18 is our final answer.